This is the first painting that I did as a collaboration between myself and Chris Schneider. It's not the one that I chose, but because I wanted to show my work in progress, I'm going to be releasing all these videos. There's about 4 of them, I think, could even be 5, because I'm a bit of a perfectionist. So you can see that I put a base there down of that is PBO 355 with a little bit of bone black in it. My flip cups have got Amsterdam greyish blue in the dark, and I'm working from dark to light all the way down to titanium white and pearl there to create a kind of a greyish graduated bluish sky. It's got silver, PBO 351 silver. Now, I did use a lot of paint for my flip cups, you'll see. Not really used to doing flip cups that much. I'm used to doing swipes. And I do use far too much paint. But you know, you live and learn. And all of that paint that you see coming off there gets scraped up and used in the next painting. I don't like waste. And you can see I'm just working on that sky, creating some dark and some lights, just using the same piece of kitchen roll, dragging it through, adding white where I want to, adding the darker bits where I want to, and again just dragging a small piece of kitchen roll through just to create that graduated effect all the way down. And then finally just tilt again. I'm not tilting vertically, I'm just tilting horizontally. Quick torch. Now I'm going to be working on this swipe area at the bottom. So this is after a few minutes. I'm going in there with the PBO 355 without any bone black in it. And I've just had this idea in my head of these tall grasses. It didn't really work, but this was the first one that I did. Just wanted to create, I didn't want to create a solid swipe. I wanted some white to come down into the dark, into the land area. And I wanted to swipe with the white, so you can see I'm just laying some more titanium white down there. And then swipe as I do, a little bit wonky, and you can see straight away cells coming up. So titanium white is a heavy density paint, so it will sink to the bottom and it will give you the cells that you want. Quick torch. Now at this point I leave it, so I walk away to see what happens. And you can see I scraped up the paint. So just looking at it now, I decide what I'm going to do. Oh, decide to put some more white in the sky. Because when you do a voiceover and you actually filmed it over a week ago, you're trying to remember what you did and why you did it. And this is where you can say, why didn't I stop there? Yes. Anyway, obviously wanted more white in the sky. And turning my attention to the bottom, just start drawing up that copper, dark copper into the white, just to create some wispy, ethereal grass effects. And sometimes you just got to go for it. There's no good being timid. You might as well keep practicing until you get it right, and that's exactly what I've been doing with this series. So stay tuned for the dried results coming up in a moment. So this is the dried result. I love the sky. I thought it was overly complicated at first, but look at the silver running through that. It's really, really nice. Loads of lacing, loads of cells, graduating down to light, the pearl white and the whites interacting with each other. Love this here, what's happened here, kind of, it has given it that kind of ethereal, wispy effect. And then the base, the swipe part, just kind of lost a little bit of its definition. So as I do with most of my paintings, I'm just going to enhance the darkest parts, again, just to create depth. So, quick time lapse.